Hello everyone, today we will discuss database management system including drop statement, alter statement, add, drop and change keywords. Data definition language is a standard for statements or commands used to define different structures in database. There are three types of commands or statements in data definition language: create table, drop table and alter table. Today we will discuss drop table and alter table. Drop table is used to remove the structure of a table and the data of a table. So it removes the entire table with its structure and with its data. We can write drop statement by drop keyword followed by the name of a table, as you can see in syntax. Alter statement is used to change the structure of a table. There are three keywords inside alter table statement. Number one is add keyword, which is used to add columns in a table. Number two, drop keyword, which is used to remove the column from table. And change keyword, which is used to rename a column with definition. Let's do the practical for these statements. So MySQL, okay, here is password is root. Okay, now let's see how many databases are there. Last time I have created DIT student database. Now I can use it. So let's select the DIT student database. So you will select by using use keyword and the name of the database. Now DIT student database has been selected. Now let's see how many tables are there. There are two tables. Now I want to confirm what is the structure of a table temp. So I will use describe statement and followed by the table name. Okay, so inside the temp table has the structure of like this. Serial number is integer type and name is text, salary is integer and designation is text. So if you want to add or remove, let's suppose you want to remove the last column, so you can remove the last column by altering the table. Alter table, we use two keywords, alter with table and name of the table is temp, and write the column name designation. So if you want to remove it, you say drop designation. So this is the statement to delete the column from a table. You will write alter table, table name, drop keyword and designation. As you can see, the drop keyword is used to remove the column, so the designation column will be removed. Okay, the query has been affected. So let's describe again. Let's see. Describe table temp. Previously it contains 4 columns: serial number, name, salary and designation. Now it contains salary, name and serial number. Okay, so this is the drop keyword. Now if you want to add another column inside a table, you can write alter table and table name. You will write add let's suppose that column name is address, which is type of text, and by writing this statement alter table name and add keyword, then after column name and the data type of the column. You can, by doing this this code, by writing this statement, you can add a column with name address and its data type will be text. So now the query has been affected. So now let's confirm describe describe DESC. Okay, so previously you can see that there were 3 columns. Now address column has been added with data type text. Okay, now if you want to change the name of a table, name of a column, for example here serial number, if you want to change this serial number from serial number to ID, you can write alter table, 2 keywords, then followed by the table name, and you can say change, you can write change keyword, then after the name of the old column, the old one is this one, serial number, and now you can type the new column name, which will be ID, and what should be its type? Its type should be integer and it should accept, and let's suppose 20 size. So here I am changing name as well as I am changing the data type from 22 to I am changing its length from 22 to 20. So let's write this one. This statement will change the name of the serial number from serial number to ID. Now query has been rows affected, 0 rows affected, and query is successfully executed. Now let's describe the temp table. DESC. Okay, previously you can see that serial first column was serial number and integer, data type was integer and with length 22. Now after executing the alter table with change keyword statement, you can see that serial number has been changed to ID and the data type has been changed from 22's length to 20. So these are the 3 keywords in the alter table we have learned today. Thank you. In last, I want to give you some assignment. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.